ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्याससप्तविंशति 27। वयं पश्यामः नियम 112 न इति। So here actually in na, अच्छा we have to finish na, we started na। दीर्घ र अंत वाली धातुओं को ईर हो जाता है, पवर्ग प्रारंभ में हो तो ऊर। गृ गीर्यते, जृ जीर्यते, श्र शीर्यते, तृ तीर्यते। In this way it happens। परंतु प्र का पूर्यते, because they said पावर का प्रारंभ है तो ऊर हो जाता है, not ईर। So इस श्र धातु will become शीर्यते। जैसे any examples you can give? गीर्यते, जीर्यते, these are not common words for us, but when they come, and if it is confusing, it is because it is Shri Dhatu. Of course, in Ashtadhyayi app, if you search for Shiryate, it will come up. Like Giryate, if you search in Hindi, in Dhatu Pata, it should come up. In fact, even without Hindi also, even if we just searched in Dhatu Pata for, let's say, Giryate, it has come. You see? So you don't have to... now that we have all these new technologies to help us, we don't have to memorize all the dhatus and dhatu rupas, etc. When Bhashya Tika, some foreign word has come, just type into the Ashtadhyayi app. I have typed in English, you can also type in Hindi or Sanskrit, whatever. In Sanskrit itself, it is possible to type and it will come. If I say Gir Yate, aa gaya. See, Grih Dhatu has come. Grih Nigarani. So, little tools are in our armor nowadays. Astu. This cha has two important sutras from a Vedanta point of view. Yeah, any question? Okay. Cha has both these sutras are very important in terms of Vedanta, in the sense that these words keep repeating many times. The first one is called, they have given Vachi Swapi. This is Vachi Swapi Yajadinam Kiti. Samprasaranam had come a few sessions ago. Samprasaranam is when basically the ulta of Ayadi Sandhi. So Iya will become E in that sense. E to year will mean year to E. In Ikoyanachi or Ayadi Sandhi, when we say Echoya Vayavaha, we say this year has become I. In Samprasaranam, I will become year. The opposite happens basically. Or for example, U will become V in Ikoyanachi. What is the question?
I'm sorry. Sundarji's mic is open, I think. It's causing a little disturbance.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, of course. Unmute while talking, mute while. So this Samprasaranam, there was that Samprasaranam in Abhyasa 25. They had basically said ulta of Yan Sandhi ka ulta karya. Ye ko E ho jata hai, va ko ho jata hai. In Yan Sandhi, U becomes va and E becomes ya. Like iti ekaha, it ye kaha. This is Ikoyanachi. In Samprasaranam, it is the ulta. Ya will become E and va will become U. So this is Samprasaranam. This is the important sutra for this Samprasaranam. Many times this sutra comes up in the sense, okay, first we'll just see the sutra. Vachi swapi yajadinam kiti. Vachi, swapi, all these dhatus they have given in Kashika. They have given all the dhatus in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Bhaimi Vyakhya. There is a sloka for what all dhatus are to be included in this sutra. I was searching for 5 minutes, but I couldn't find it, but it is there. I will search after our session, and if any of you can find, that is wonderful also. In Bhaimi Vyakhya, there is this shloka that says what all sutras, what all dhatus get samprasana. In the sutra, there is only vachi, vachi is the dhatu, vach dhatu, swapi, swap dhatu, yajadi, yaja adi. What are these adi? Yaja adi. So for that there is one shloka. Kashika mein they have given vachi dhatu, uktaha, uktavan. This is samprasaranam. Va has become u. Generally in eco energy, u will become va. Jaise guru ekaha, gur vekaha. This is eco energy. Guru ekaha, gur vekaha. Or whatever, taru ekaha, something you can say. That makes more sense. But that u has become va. But in samprasaranam, va will become u. Vakara is becoming ukar. So vachi will become uktaha. This is samprasana karya. Swapi will become suptaha. This va will become u. Swa will be su. Swapi suptaha. Suptavan. So these dhatus, they get samprasaranam. Vachi, swapi, yajadina. All these dhatus. Yaja, vapa, vaha, vasa, ve, mye, he, hwe, vada, doshvi, tuoshvi. All these dhatus, they get samprasaranam. This sutra will be part of the 50, 100, whatever shortlist if we make one. And it will come often in Vedanta. Oftentimes, in terms of, there is one sabda that comes many, many times by Anandagiriji. I think in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad alone, he must have used it 100 times. Anudya. Anudya. Vrittam anudya kirtayati. Anudya. What is anudya having said in that sense? Anudya, u has come. So, okay, any guesses? Anudya. Which dhatu will it be? If it is anudya.
What?
If it is vach, it will be anuchya.
Guru or guru? I don't know, I'm guessing.
Vach is a good guess. You see, vach, if it is vach, it will become anuchya. But it is anudya. So, it is...
I was trying to get it from uktva, from that actually.
Correct. So,
yes.
So uktva is for vach, right? But uktva, it is not uktva, right? It is dakara, not kakara.
Yes.
Anudya, so it will be vad dhatu. Simple, right? Vach dhatu will make it ukta. Cha has become ka. But the has to be the, so anudya, vad. Vad dhatu. So vad dhatu is a part of the yajadi. This adi, vad is one of these.
So what is the doing over there? Is coming from...
Because having said, in terms of lung, akara has come before dhatu because purva, vritam anudya kirtayati, he will say. Having done this vritam, he will do kirtanam. In that sense. Vritam anudya, having done this. So in that sense, will also come. Like for example, here, what have they given? Have they given vad dhatu here? They should give vad here. Here. Vad has become udita, right? Udita, uditavan, vad dhatu. Uditaha. So, anuvad, you can say that way actually. Anu udya. Again, udya will be just vad dhatu. If you want to say anu, then it will be anu udya, anu udya. Again, Vittam anudya. Again, once again. Or before saying. In that way also, anu shabda can make sense. In both ways, Anandagiriji will use Anudya Shabda many times. So Vadhatu gets Samprasaranam. Through which sutra? Vachi Swapi Ajadinam Kiti. I am quite sure this sutra will make an appearance in one of the books that we are studying in the next few weeks again. Anudya is a common word in many granthas. This is the first of the Samprasaranam Sutra. there is sutras. There is one more. The immediate next sutra. So they have given, right, in a Rachanamala Kaumudi, they have given Vachiswapi and then Grahijya. What is this Grahijya? This is another sutra to memorize. This is a long one, but if memorizable, it is very good, because it comes many times. Grahijya vai vyadhi vashti vichati vrishchati pruchati brijjatinam kiticha niticha. This is, earlier was Vachiswapi ajadinam kiti. Here Grahijya vai vyadhi vashti vichati vrishchati pruchati brijjatinam niticha. What does this say? Grahi dhatu. So, okay, one more question I have. Vachi, swapi, why have they given ikara at the end? Any guesses? It should be vach dhatu. Why vachi? I made it easy maybe.
सप्तमी वच के होने पे.
Exactly. Saptami ekavachanam. Wonderful. Correct. Vachi. So vach dhatu mein saptami vibhakti in. So vachi. The same way for graha. Graha dhatu, grahi. Jya dhatu, jya. Vayi, vyadhi, vashti, vichati, vrishchati, prichhati, brijjati. All these things. What is the sutra saying basically? Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi has given examples. Kashika is giving some. Bhaimi Vakya will have answers, but we are not starting Bhaimi yet. All we have to see here is Graha dhatu will become Grihita or Grihnati, Niti. With Niti it will become Grihnati. So in many Vakyas again, Acharya Anandagiriji loves these shabdas. Grihita, Grihitavan, Grihnati. Where is this Grihnati coming? What dhatu is this? It is Graha dhatu. Grahijya Vaivyadi. So this sutra also will make many appearances, especially for Graha dhatu. Other dhatus are also common. Just say this Prichhati, Prich dhatu is quite common. But Graha dhatu is the most common here. For Prichhati, have they given example? हाँ, यहाँ पे see प्रच धातु पृष्ठः पृष्ठवान पृच्छति. It is प्रच धातु, right? प्रच is पूछना. प्रच धातु. Why should it become prich? That is the samprasaranam. Ra has become r. In eco-energy, r will become ra. The opposite will happen here. Samprasaranam. Or for example, samprasaranam main sutra is this. This is in niticha, in grahijya. So graha dhatu will become grihnati. In that, it is not full samprasaranam as such, but the graha to gruh and prach to prich, braj to bridge, in that sense it works. Okay, these two sutras are mukhya, 6115, 6115, 6116. मुख्य सूत्रे स्तः. अग्रे वाचादि धातुओं के संप्रसारण होता है. दिस वी हैव सीन ऑलरेडी. वच विल बिकम उच्यते, यज इज्यते, वप उप्यते, स्वप सुप्यते, वह उह्यते. व्हाई वह हैज बिकम उह्यते? एनी गेसेस? व्हाई शुड इट नॉट बी इह्यते? टू इजी. Vakara becomes Vakara will become U. Satyam. Samprasaranam involves Vakara, va becoming U. So Vad Udyate, Vach Uchyate, Vap Upyate. That is Samprasaranam. Question?
So the difference, if I have to explain in one sentence, the difference between Samprasarana and Vikarana. So Vikarana is addition of an akshara in between and Samprasana is transformation.
Exactly. That's it. Vikarana will be addition, of course. And another example, another difference is Vikarana Pratyaya is for Dhatu Gana. Samprasaranam is for the Dhatu itself. Of course, Vikarana also through Dhatu, but the traditional Artha of Vikarana Pratyaya is a Dhatu Gana addition. And then that Vikarana Pratyaya will add to Dhatu. So yes, you can say addition. Samprasaranam is transformation itself. You see in Vad Dhatu, Va will just go away. Lopa effectively happens. Va has become U. If you wanted to say Vikarana Pratyaya, it will be Vada or Vadva or some new addition letter will come. So what you said is correct. Vad will become Udyate. Anandagiri Acharya, when we read Tika, Anudya Vad Dhatu. Samprasaranam Sutra. Vad Dhatu, this question comes very often in such ashrams where we study high level Vedanta with Vyakarana background, etc. Anudya, and then Swami will say, which dhatu? Vad? What karya? Samprasaranam. Which sutra? Vachisvapiya jadinam kiti. In this way, that mind gets conditioned to answer because we know this is the kind of thought process that leads Acharya to say Vad become Anudya. Udyate. Anu Udyate, Anudya. In that sense. Same, the second sutra, Grahijya vai vyadivashti vichati vishriti prichati brijyatinam, Graha to Grihyate, Prach prichyate, Vas ushyate. They have given some examples. Any questions before we go ahead? Astu, agree. ह्रस्व ई को ई, ऊ को ऊ हो जाता है. जैसे जी जीयते, छी चीयते, हु हूयते. They have given these three examples. There may be more. जैसे if there is some more we will see, but this hrasva e will become dirgha e in that sense.
These words have to come before, like jiyate is to win.
But jiyate, has it come before? I don't think it has come before. Does anyone remember? This came in Prarambhika or?
Senapati or something, maybe something like that. Chi, what does chiyate? So these words
chiyate comes.
Sorry? Which?
That tapasa chiyate, like that, there is
chiyate. Jiyate is to win. You are asking ja or cha?
Both actually.
Both. Jiyate is to win. Chiyate will be the tapasa chiyate, collection. We will see in Dhatu Pata, Achinoti hi shastrani satyam. We will see in this Dhatu Pata. Chiyate will be to collect, I think. Chi dhatu, collect, select, pick. Now also find, gather, collect, speak, talk. Chi bhashayam. And you see, they are all in Chura. Two are in Churadi, one in Swati. Same dhatu. Chingchaine dhatu. This Chingchaine dhatu will make many appearances, actually. Tapasa chiyate is an idea. This Chingchaine dhatu, often it comes even in Sarva Vedanta, Tika, etc. Chinchane dhatu often comes. Achinoti, I guess. But jiyate will be to win, I guess, to prosper or something. Prosper or flourish, to win, conquer, whatever. Jiyate. Maybe ji dhatu has come.
The thing is also a word like with the dirgha e.
Which one?
Ikshate.
Ikshate yoga yuktatma. Ikshate like sa ikshate bahusyam prajaya. I think that is ikshana dhatu itself. The dhatu there is ikshana. I don't think it becomes like, for example,
Short to long, it doesn't become.
you see the dhatu itself is dirgha. It does not become short to long. Like ji dhatu is short, right? And it becomes jiyate. Hrasva to dirgha. But here this dhatu itself is dirgha, iksh. Cha. Cha khatam ho gaya. Ja. Aniditam hala upadhaya niti. This is also another important sutra. We will see what they have written. धातु के बीच में इन का प्राय लोप होता है. मंथ मथ्यते, बंद बध्यते. This बध्यते धातु, बध्यते शब्द, many times of course it features. बदनाति, बध्यते, बंधनम करने अर्थ में. So avidya, बदनाति और बध्यते in that sense. So बध्यते. Why the bandh dhatu, that in nakara has gone away? Because aniditam hala upadaya. And there is a condition. If it is jani, or ni dhatu, ni anaya, a upasarga ni dhatu. Ni dhatu will not get aniditam, hala upadaya, because only when it is half in and there is a consonant, vyanjana, hal. In that sense, aniditam hala upadaya niti se na lopa ho jata hai. It will not get lopa if vowel is following like ni. Ikara vowel is there. So swara is there. This will not work. If it is half in and vyanjana, then that half in will go away. Mant dhatu mathyate, bandh badhyate, bramsh brishyate, srams srasyate. There will be many more examples. Aniditam halal padaya.
So you need half na and vyanjana.
And vyanjana, satyam. If it is half na and the swara, then what? Do you have an example for half na and swara? Any na and swara will be that one, right? In plus e, ni, in that sense. In plus a, na. In plus u, nu. When that happens, this sutra will not work. This sutra works only when there is a vyanjana after. Anidit, so
when we use the word sun,
sun.
Sun, after that it has sun quite often.
Sun is a pratyaya, not a dhatu. This word sun, this is a dhatu sutra. Sun pratyaya will work in a different way. That will come in Abhyasa 31, I think it comes. 31, 32. No, you have to find dhatus that end in na or ni or nu in that sense. They say ni dhatu, right? Jalam anaya, bring water. A upasarga purvak ni dhatu. Ni has become naya. Here this aniditam will not work. You cannot say aya. Jalam aya will not work. Only if it is vyanjana following like bandha. So avidya badhyati or badnati in that way. There na has gone away. It is just badh, not bandha. They have given what example?
Explain this once more. The need, the exception for anaya. Why that exception is happening?
Because in ni, okay. I have a question then. Follow up. In ni, so in bandha, there are three aksharas, right? Ba, in, dha. This is bandha. In ni dhatu, what are the aksharas?
Na and dirgha e.
E. Dirgha e is swara or vyanjana.
Swara.
So when there is swara, this sutra will not work. If it is vyanjana, jaise ba, in, dha. Dha is vyanjana, not swara. So this sutra will work. In will go away and will become badhyate. Jaise they have given here, right? Mant plus yak plus te. Yak is saradhatuke for that. Mathyate. Where is the in? In is gone. Same for vand. This is an exception. Here they have given exceptions. Same for bandh dhatu. They have not given example here, but bandh you can take. Bandh plus yak plus te. Badhyate. There is no inner there. There are exceptions. So iditonum dhatoho, exceptions are there. Vand dhatu. This is vand plus tva pratyaya will become vanditva, not vaditva. That exception they want to give. And ni prapane. So ni plus tva dhatu, nitva. You cannot say itva, you know. You can't say jalam aya or pustaka aya. This does not make any sense. You have to take naya or anaya. Na will stay because swara is followed. Okay. Any more questions on this? Okay. चुरादी झ दीर्घ झ चुरादी गण और नीच वाली धातुओं के ई को लोप होता है. दिस नीच वाली धातु is going to come in two abhyasas, so we don't have to see this in super detail. What they are saying is चोर्यते, ई को लोप हो जाता है, आये को लोप हो जाता है. चोर्यते, कथ्यते, भक्ष्यते, in that way it will become चुरादी गण. When you say चुरादी गण, aya is the vikarana pratyaya. Chorayati, this is the actual rupa of churadi gana. Why they have given it here? They should be giving it when churadi gana comes. Anyway, chorayati will become choryate, basically. That is what they want to say. Bhakshayati will become bhakshyate, kathyate, choryate, in that way.
So these are all our Atmani Pada words.
Because Ekara is of course ending. Te, if it were Parasmay Pada, it will be Ti more often than not.
Yeah,
Generally it will be in Ti, Bhavati, Hasati, Bhavati, Kridati, Satyam, all this. But Ityadi. But here Choryate, Kathyate, Bhakshyate, in that way. As to Abhyasa 27, Saptavimshati. There is a announcement at the end. Of course, we spoke about this also yesterday. This Abhyasa will be the last for a while. We will have to do Sandhi Prakarana before we start Abhyasa 28. Kal or मतलब kal नहीं है, Thursday and Friday. All Sandhis we will see, make a document, and then when the next time we meet, we will find Abhyasa. We will say Abhyasa 28. So this is the last Abhyasa till the break. उदाहरणवाक्ये पिता पुत्रः पित्रा पुत्रः उच्यते. पित्रा पुत्रः उच्यते. पित्रा is तृतीया एकवचनम. I will see my book anyway. What it says. Abhyasa 28. पित्रा पुत्रः उच्यते. पित्रा is तृतीया एकवचनम. पुत्रः प्रथमा एकवचनम. उच्यते आत्मनेपदीय. Is this कर्तृवाच्य, कर्मवाच्य और भाववाच्य?
कर्मवाच्य.
कर्मवाच्य, exactly. Why? Because pitra is in tritiya, karma के अनुसार उच्यते. उच्यते is in atmanepada, so it is karmavachya. The difference is this: kartravachya is Ramaha bhojanam kadati, Ramaha gramam gacchati. It is very common usage. Ramaha is subject, gramam object, gacchati in terms of karta. Pitra tritiya ekvachanam, putraha prathama ekvachanam. Object uchyate according to pitra, pita. According to putra uchyate. According to karma, karma is pradhana, so uchyate prathama ekvachanam. जैसे पुत्रः प्रथमा एकवचनम. अस्तु, सुमंजय जी कृपया तो भ्राता भाता वन्द्यते. भ्राता भ्राता वन्द्यते. Bhratra it should be. There is a mistake here in the PDF. If somebody is using the PDF, there is obvious mistake. This is Bhratra. द्वितीया एकवचन.
भ्राता या भाई के द्वारा भ्राता का की वंदना की जाती है या वंदित होता है. और रादर वंदित होता है would become like विशेषण, so it will become वंदितः. That would be wrong. की वंदना होती है.
वंदना you can say, or some नमस्कार or प्रणाम, any of these words की जाती है, किया जाता है, की जाती है. तो सत्यम. भवानी कृपया वदतु सुमंजय जी, this षष्ठ but not the whole one, only this first one. We don't need that.
हाँ, okay. So अस्माभिः हमारे द्वारा और आपके द्वारा दान दिया जाता है.
सत्यम. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. कर्मवाच्य, भाववाच्य, कर्तृवाच्य.
This is कर्मवाच्य. दानम is कर्म.
कर्मवाच्य. And why danam? Why shouldn't be danah?
दानम is नपुंसकलिंग, प्रथमा एकवचन.
Yes, exactly. Danam napumsakalinga prathama. This is the difference, because we know it is karmavachya. This has to be prathama ekvachana. Danaha dano danaha danam, that will be dvitiya, but danam is an napumsakalinga shabda, not pullinga.
This is a good cheat code for getting the linga nirdharana.
Yes, correct. Any question before we go? Okay.
Akashji, I did not understand the Kartru Pradhana and Karma.
I think you missed that class, Abhaji. You missed that session, right? I'll catch you up tomorrow. But basically, there are three ways of forming any sentence. Like how in English is active and passive. Not really passive voice, but there are three ways. The first way is when Karta is Pradhana. This is the sentence that we have been doing all these abhyasas. They say Ramaha Gramam Gacchati. Karta is Pradhana Ramaha. But in Karma Vachya, Karma will become Pradhana. But it will not have the same vibhakti. Ramaha has Prathama vibhakti. But in Karma Vachya it will become Ramena. Ramena Gramam Gamyate will become. Gacchati will become Gamyate. So all the vibhaktis will change based on quote unquote passive ones. Bhavavachya is a third type of sentence where there is no karma. Karma itself won't be there. Only karta and kriyapada will be there. Karma will not be there. There's three ways of saying a sentence. We will see it. Don't worry. We will see. This is all in page Abhyasa 25 or 26 or so. Astu. Sumanjaji Bhavaneva Kripyavatu Ekamapi. This Dashama Maya, not Ripuhu, some other interesting word. Guruhu Katyate. Kim Bhavati? Maya Guruhu Katyate.
मया गुरुहु कथ्यते, मेरे द्वारा महत्वपूर्ण बात की जाती है. Because otherwise it would not make sense if this was व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा.
Hold on.
Because मेरे द्वारा गुरु कहा जाता है. That would not make sense. If I say guruhu as in guru vachana, as in important thing, important content, that would make sense, I guess. क्योंकि मेरे द्वारा गुरु कहा जाता है. If the guru is a व्यक्ति, this might not make sense. But if I say guru here indicates something important, लघु guru in that sense, then और मेरे द्वारा बहुत कुछ कहा जाता है. Because guru लघु ऐसे लघु सिद्धांत is small, guru would be big.
Yes, that logic holds. The logic is very strong there. It is not wrong to say that. But when you say pitra putraha uchyate and maya guru katyate, what is the difference? Uchyate katyate, similar dhatu. Pitra putraha uchyate, maya guru katyate.
One would be atmanepadi, one would be parasmaipadi. That could be a difference.
Which is parasmaipadi? Parasmaipadi both are atmanepadi. Uchyate katyate.
Yes, both are actually. So both are
see, you can say that the son speaks through the father. Because you can say that okay, his son is a minor or something, he's gone somewhere, so he's speaking through his father, who's representing his words. But I can understand Sumanjaji's point to say the Guru speaks through me.
Through is not to be taken literally. You see, for example, Maya Ripu Jiyate. Through me, मेरे द्वारा रिपु को मेरे द्वारा रिपु जीता जाता है. In that way लिखा. You can't take through me he went through. No. So the through is not for. It is that मेरे द्वारा गुरु कथ्यते मतलब मेरे द्वारा गुरु से गुरु कथ्यते गुरु से कहा जाता है. In that way. It could mean what you said also. At the same time, what you said is not wrong. Because like for example, if you want to say something very heavy, just sometimes Vyakarana, very heavy. Maya Guruhu Katyat, I have said something very heavy. That way also is correct. But I think in this context, they are not thinking so deeply. Because you see, all these are Vyaktis. Rupu, of course, Phala is Sadravya. Dugdam, Durjanaha is Vyakti. Just like Guru. Durjanaha Guru, Bhojana. That way I think they mean. But the logic is also correct in saying Guru Laghu. Laghu Guru is also.
What would be this one? Agnau Huyate. This Huyate is Yajya Karma, that I can understand. But Agnau, how would this come? Agnau.
Agni Agnau is which Vibhakti?
Agnau would be what? Agnau would be. Agnau would be. I think it would be Dvitiya, Dvivachana? No.
Why? Agni is the Shabda. It's a Hari.
Hari, Harau, Harayaha. That way, right?
Hari,
Haraya. Sorry. Then Harau would come in the end.
There.
Towards the end. So Saptami.
Exactly. Saptami Ekavachana. So Agna will be Saptami. Agni me. Karma is not here in this sentence.
Yes.
This is a Bhavavachya sentence.
I got killed.
Agni me Havanora. Yes. Not Agnika. Of course, Agnika, if you want to say, you can say Maya.
Agnehe.
Agnehe huyate. Agnika Havan ho raha hai mere dwara. You can say through me that is happening. But even that will be. There is no karma there, right? There is no prathama ekvajanam there.
Yes.
So it is bhavavachya. Interesting. अस्तु. आभाजी कृपया वदतु. तृतीय जामात्रा श्वशुरः स्तूयते.
जामात्रा श्वशुरः श्रूयते. स्तुति कर रहे हैं. जामात्रा मतलब जमाई की स्तुति श्वशुर द्वारा हो रही है, करी जा रही है.
उल्टा जामाई के द्वारा.
अच्छा, श्वशुरः मतलब ही इज गेटिंग द स्तुति, ही इज द रिसीवर.
करेक्ट.
जमाई के द्वारा श्वशुर की स्तुति की जा रही है.
श्वशुर की स्तुति की जाती है. व्हाटएवर. जामात्र के द्वारा. जामात्रा इज तृतीया एकवचन. So when Tritiya Ekavachan is that will become Dwara. Bhavati eva कृपया वदतु. Ashtama.
One day I looked at this sentence when I was doing it, is that a good son-in-law reflects well on the father-in-law. So through that good son-in-law, there is Stuti of the father-in-law. That was whatever, So I was looking at it like that. The behavior of the child reflects well on the parent.
But that is when we say through, right? We are taking through as the translation.
By.
Tritiya Eka. By is a better translation. Inke dwara. Pitra putra uchate by pita. This maya guru uchate by me. In that way. Mere dwara और पिता के द्वारा और जामात्र के द्वारा. Through you can say, but in Sanskrit that may have a different rupa. That may be like some adarsha or something will come. Reflection, bimba, adarsha, some kind of word. That way you may have to use. I don't think this is easily understandable. You can use it. There's nothing wrong in doing
Not
that.
to debate. I was just looking at that word and sentence and saying, that's one way to look at it.
Yes, I mean it is not. See, many of these bhashya tikas sometimes when we see they use the same word in a slightly complicated meaning, right? Not in the most direct meaning. So, yes, you can take it that way. It's not wrong, but it is not the basic meaning. And I don't think it is what they intended, because they still intended to be somewhat basic in this level. Abhaji tena bhojanam giryate.
तेन भोजनम गीर्यते. गीर्यते का अर्थ I forgot.
गृह धातु.
ग्रहण करना.
गृह.
वे भोजन ग्रहण करते हैं.
हाँ, वे in the sense tena will be उनके द्वारा, उसके द्वारा, in that sense.
Okay, उनके द्वारा भोजन ग्रहण किया जाता है.
हाँ, you can say उनके द्वारा. दे है. हाँ, तेन त्यक्तेन भुंजीत. Exactly. तेन त्यक्तेन भुंजीत मागृत कस्य सुजन. But they are given here गृह धातु निगलना. In this sense we can take this task. So गीयते you can take जैसे निगल रहा है.
उनके द्वारा भोजन निगला जाता है.
हाँ, निगला जाता है, वैसे बोल सकते. सत्य. So when you see tena, maya, bhratra, pitra, whatever, all these vachanas, all these vakyas, shabdas, which vibhakti is it?
Tritiya.
Satyam, Tritiya ekvachana. Correct.
By or with.
By
so these are all Tritiya vibhakti sentences.
Correct. By or through. With अगर है, okay, open question. If I want to say with, जैसे पित्रा पुत्रः उच्यते I said. If I want to add a with here, so what word should I add? Saha. Otherwise, any other words I can add? It's a little harder. It came in the Abhyasa. There is a niyama. Saha, sakam, sardham. All these are acceptable words for with. Pitra saha, pitra sakam, pitra sardham. Everything is correct. So, if I want to say with, it is in Tritiya, but saha, sa, ha, that will get added. Not sa, visarga, sa, ha, sakara, hakara. Those two. Just as sa, ha. Horrible handwriting, but you get the idea, I think. Asu. Avantika ji कृपया वदतु चतुर्थ मया दुग्धं दुह्यते प्रथम ओन्ली. केवल प्रथम भाग.
She's not there.
सुंदर जी भवानी रहते फिनिश्ड कॉल.
माया दुग्धम दृश्यते, मेरे द्वारा दूध निकाला जाता है.
सत्यम. And there is one complicated one, Panchama.
Panchama. So Panchama is
only till here, till this Pakyate.
So मेरे द्वारा, तेरे द्वारा, उसके द्वारा, तेरा, and Taihi. So Taihi is it is Bahuvachanam.
Correct.
It is Bahuvachanam.
Yes, correct.
Napumsaka Bahuvachanam. Taihi.
Pullinga.
Pullinga Bahuvachanam.
Taihi.
Taihi. So all in all of that, यह ग्रंथ पठ्यते.
सत्यम. मेरे द्वारा. करेक्ट.
मेरे द्वारा किताब पर ग्रंथ पढ़ी गई.
करेक्ट. मेरे द्वारा, तेरे द्वारा, उसके द्वारा या वो सब के द्वारा.
वो सब के द्वारा.
सत्यम. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. एकः केवलः बाकी अस्ति. Only one is left. सप्तम. तैः कार्याणि क्रियन्ताम्. Oh, this is interesting. सुंदर जी भवामि.
Okay. So this one again, Taihi is again our Bahuvachanam. हम सबके थ्रू कार्यम and it's क्रियंताम would be लोट रखा है. So इसलिए किया जाए.
जाए. And
किया जाए.
तैहि will be वो सब, not हम सब.
या वो सब ये काम करे, किया जाए.
बाहु सम्यक् अस्ति. Correct. So this is an interesting rupa. This you can use with pratyaya. Kriyantam, you can always use aniyar pratyaya, tavya pratyaya. These pratyayas you can use for load, revealing, etc. We will come to that. I think that is coming in Abhyasa 34, etc.
So we will say taihi, as in you were saying pratyaya thing, taihi karyani kartavyani, like that.
Exactly. Kartavyani. Karaniyani. Aniyar pratyaya.
And is this the same thing, ji? Like we in sadhana panchakam say vedam nityam adhiyatam, that way?
The same, right? Kriyantam, adhiyatam, vedam nityam, and this tarkena shruti shiras tarkeno. Important points. These shlokas you use for that. But yes, it is the same. Vedam nityam avi sangat satsu vidhi. Sangaha satsu.
But in Adhiyatam, the dhatu is what? Dhi.
Upasargadi. Yeah, no, this came, right? Adhiyate. You remember in Prarambhika, Adhiyate, Adhyaste, reading, to study. Adhi dhatu. Adhiyate dhatu. It had come in Prarambhika towards the end. 26 or 27 or one of those abhyasas it had come. Where they said, so Vedam Nityam Adhiyatam, always read constantly Veda. Sadhana Panchakam is all this Upam.
Should read.
Should. Yes. Should. And you can use Tavya Aniyar. They are more or less Paryaya only. Tavya is generally a little stronger. Tavya Aniyar, if you have to pick one, we will come to that. That is not relevant now, but if you want to pick one, Tavya is a little stronger. Vedo nityam adhiyatam taduditam karma swanushthiyatam teneshasya vidhiyatam apachitihi kamye matisrajyatam. All that. Sangasatsu vidhiyatam bhagavato bhaktir dhrudo dhiyatam dhrida dhiyatam. All of that is same this rupa. Okay, Hindi to English. Very simple actually. We can just do one because many repeats. सुंदर जी भगवान वाले तो कृपया प्रथमः मेरे द्वारा पाठ पढ़ा जाता है. सत्यम. सुमंजय जी तेरे द्वारा लेख लिखे जाता है.
वया लेखः लिख्यते.
बहुत सम्यक. अभाजी राम के द्वारा दूध दुहा जाता है.
रामेण.
करेक्ट.
Udna के लिए there was a word yesterday, so I.
Here today also there is one.
Duhyate.
दुह्यते सत्यं.
दुग्धः दुह्यते.
दुग्धम इज नपुंसकलिंग. बहु सम्यक् आवाजी. रामेण दुग्धम दुह्यते. पिक अप वेरी क्विकली. अस्तु. देन सुंदर जी, दिस मेरे द्वारा खाना खाया जाए. हाँ.
So therefore, मेरे द्वारा माया भोजनम and then खाया जाए. So it has to be लोक लकार. So खादये
Maya, because you are saying Maya.
But when we do Atmani Pada, isn't it always the Prathama Purusha?
Take in this way. Take like Kriyantam. You can use that only. So Bhakshyatam can be. Bhakshyatam is correct. Right?
Yeah. Bhakshyatam is.
Maya bhojanam bhakshyatam. Khadyatam. सुमंजय जी, अध्ययन पूर्ण किया जाए मेरे द्वारा.
अध्ययनं पूर्णं क्रियतां मया.
हाँ, सत्यम्. अध्ययनं पूर्णं सत्यम्. अस्तु. आभाजी, तेरे द्वारा वस्त्र धारण किया गया. दिस इज लिटिल हार्डर. किया गया, विच लकार है?
किया गया, पास्ट टेंस, लोट लकार.
करेक्ट. सो तेरे द्वारा विल बी
तेना.
त्वया. तेना इज सह, उसके द्वारा. वस्त्रम और वस्त्रः, विच इज करेक्ट. वस्त्रम और वस्त्रः.
वस्त्रम.
करेक्ट. सो त्वया वस्त्रम अधीयत.
त्वया वस्त्रम से पास्ट टेंस होगा.
हाँ, से पास्ट टेंस. ओके. किया गया विल बी धी धातु. सो अधीयत, धारण किया गया. सो अधीयत. दिस वे.
अधीयत. ओके.
अस्तु. सब नहीं. पिता के द्वारा चिंतन किया नहीं. हरि का भजन. हाँ, पिता के द्वारा हरि का भजन. सुंदर जी, हरि का भजन किया जाता है.
पिता के द्वारा.
हाँ.
So, once again, the 10th one, right?
हाँ.
So, पिता के द्वारा. So, therefore, पित्रा.
सत्यम.
पित्रा चिंतनम.
हाँ, पित्रा चिंतन नहीं चाहिए. हरि का भजन.
Okay. So, पित्रा हरिम.
हाँ.
हरिम भजनम.
हाँ.
And then Harim Bhajanam, and then after that you can say Kru Dhatu.
Kru Dhatu or Bhaj Dhatu you can use. Bhajyate.
Bhajyate, correct.
Not why Hari.
Harika, no?
But in Karma Vachya, Karma will be in Prathama Ekvachanam.
Yeah, okay, correct. So therefore it will be Harihi.
Pitra Harihi Bhajyate. Satyam. This is all repeat. All you see, we ourselves have done about 8 or 9 of this now, 7, 8, 9, whatever. Every single is a repeat. It is all repeat. Everything is a karma vachya in this abhyas. सब तेरे द्वारा, मेरे द्वारा, उसके द्वारा, पिता के द्वारा, फिर मेरे, तेरे और राम के द्वारा. Everything they are just playing around with it. शिष्य के द्वारा. अंत में 12वें 12 वह दूध दुहता है. सुमन जी की कृपया है तो
सह दुग्धम दुहति.
सत्यम. बहु सम्यक. आभाजी कृपया है तो त्रयोदश.
Sorry, 1 second. सह दुग्धम दुहति.
हाँ, दोग्धी, right?
Yeah, it will be dogdi.
Oh, okay. I
correct. Good catch, Sundar. Yes, it will be dogdi, I think. Which page number that was?
That is on page number 162.
162, dogdi. Parasmaipadil atlakare ekvachana hai. Dogdi athva dugde, but here you have to say dogdi because it is kartruvansha. Saha dugdam dogdi. That way. Satyam. Duhati will be duha dhatu, right? It won't be dugdha dhatu.
Yes.
But here it is Satyam. Abhaji Trayodasha, tu bhi duhta hai.
Tu will be not tvaya, but tvam.
Tvam, Satyam.
Tvam.
Bhi, tu bhi. Api.
Api. Okay.
Tvam api.
Tu bhi. Somebody else also does it like that.
No, you also. Tvam api. You also drink. You are drinking milk in that way.
Tvam api. Dugdha. दुहेगा है ना, दुहता है. त्वम अपि, सॉरी, दुग्धम सत्यम.
त्वमपि दुग्धम अग्रे
दुहता है. दुह्यते.
This is in page 162. You will have to see that page number. We saw it yesterday or day before maybe. Dhokshi. मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन है धोक्षी. त्वमपि दुग्धम धोक्षी. That is the root. These are all in different lakaras. This is in duhe, duha, duha. Everything is in duha. So and duhega. Lot, vidiling, lung, drid. All 5 rupas, lakaras are given here. There is nothing great about this abhyasa. अशुद्धति ध. तायते पायते क्रियते क्रियते गच्छते नास्ति. दीयते. दा will become दीयते. पा पीयते. क्रियते तीर्यते उच्यते. We have seen all this in the niyamas. Niyama 112 says all these things. दोहति अदोहत नास्ति. दोग्धि. अधोक. भोक्ष्यति. दुह्यात्. This is on page 162. अभ्यास. दो क को लट लोट लंग विलिंग में बदलो and दो ख को लट और लंग में तथा ग को लोट में बदलो. We have all seen this, but for the sake of abhyasa, you can just do it quickly. So, for example, if you want to say duh dhatu in lat lakara pratama purusha, like saha duhati, if you want to say, it won't be duhati, it will be saha dogdi. Duh dhatu, if you want to say saha dogdi, then it will be in lot lakara sadogdu, lang lakara sadha adok, vidiling sadohyat, and rit sadhokshati. I am just reading from 162 on. This is all just application. Saha will always be pratama purusha ekvachana. Just apply everywhere. Apply. In this way, all these things will just change based on lakara. Gha ko bahuvachan banao. Gha ko bahuvachan. Gha कौन सी है? दुग्धा. Saha will become te. Dugdam. Instead of dokshi will be duhanti. दोग्धि दुहंति. त्वमपि दुग्धम दुग्धा. In this way बहुवचन will happen. पितृ और भातृ के पूरे रूप लिखो. You will have to see that. पितृ and भ्रातृ. दुख धातु के दासों लकार में रूप लिखो. That also you will see. रुदादि गण के विशेषता बताओ. रुदादि गण में क्या विशेषता है? Any answers? Any guesses? Any correct answer?
अन लगता है.
न.
और becomes na.
न लगता है. श्यन प्रत्यय है. श्यन will become न और श्नु. Sorry. रुदादिभ्यः श्नुः. That was the sutra. Shnam. Sorry. रुदादिभ्यः shnam. If I didn't give the number of this sutra, it is 3178. This is over here. Niyama 111. रुदादिभ्यः shnam 3178. Because Ishan will get loka and shna will remove. रुदादिभ्यः shnam. So na is the written. Satyam. बहुसा. अस्तु. अंत में कुछ और है? कुछ है? One question I had. हाँ. कर्ता. कर्ता शब्द अगर आया तो कर्ता कर्तारो कर्ता रहा. पिता शब्द अगर आए तो पिता पितरो पितरहा. Which sutra? Not number.
I can give you only number.
Number.
I can only give you a number.
Which is the beginning at least. You have to say, even if you cannot remember the
But I have to search. I am not kidding. 6, 4, 11. That's all I know.
number, you know.
Wasn't that tip pratyaya?
Trich. Good.
Trich.
Good. Tru. See, Pitru will be Truch in that.
I got Ardha word.
Correct.
I got the Tru part of it, not the Trich.
Up Trintrich. Swastra Natrineshta Twashtra Kshatru Otru Potru Prashastrinam. I think 6, 4, 11. Okay, one more question based on today. This is hard, but we will see. Anudya Shabda. Dhatu.
What?
Karyam.
Samprasada.
Sutra.
Sutra 6150.
No, not Sutra. We don't want numbers. Numbers won't hold true. The sutra is.
Sutra, so I also didn't. I have to actually level up my game now. I don't remember the sutra.
It comes with practice, no worries. Of course, we saw it only 45 minutes ago, so it is not easy. But yes, this is how it will work in our classes, in Vedanta classes.
Once we have created the summary document,
Yes, correct.
then you'll be able to do it.
Yes.
Otherwise, just
Right.
remembering the sutra.
Yeah, but see, Sandhi Sutras everyone remembers. Ityekaha which sutra, Eko everyone remembers.
Yeah.
Like that, this will also happen, because Sandhi, Pratyaya, Sampradhanam, all these they have specific categories. In our head, if we can just manage, now we will see Sandhis and all in one category on Thursday and Friday. Like that, we will have others. Pratyaya will have one category. All Pratyayas, they will have their own sutras. Samprasanam has its sutra. Then Gana has its sutra. So in this way, we will have certain categories. This sutra is Vachi Swapi Ajadinam Kiti.
Then you see, it's much easier to remember equal.
Actually, for Sandhis, it's also easy because I feel it's like you have
Yes.
you have 2 set of pratyaharas and 1 transformation.
Yes, it is easy.
So yeah, that way, and there is no adhikara anuvritti that you have to worry about.
Yes.
So-
Yes, of course. Sandhi Sutras are easy. There is no question. They are easy. But even Gana Sutras are very easy. Because if you want to say Rudadi Gana, what is the sutra? Rudadi, it is already there. Rudadi Bhyaha Shnam. All we have to remember is that Shnam. So these two are easy. But Pratyaya, even Pratyaya to an extent will not be very hard. We will see. The toughest is these things. Samprasaranam. These are the tough ones. But if you can remember these are helpful. Okay, one more question. Ni dhatu. Ni dhatu will be naya. But bandh dhatu will not be bandhana. Bandhyate. It will be badhyate. Why? Which sutra?
Sutra, I don't know, but Karya is that there is a swara after na. So because of
Swara asti to na lopaha na bhavishyati. Vyanjana asti chet lopaha bhavishyati. Aniditam hala upadhaya niti. That is the sutra. Aniditam hala upadhaya niti. So these 3 sutras are important. And there is one more. Grihnati. Grihnati, if I say. Sa grihnati. What is it?
6116.
Not number. At least the beginning of the sutra.
Grihe. I remember that Grihe.
Grahi.
Grahi was
Jya,
there, yes.
Vahi, Vyadi, Vyashti, Vishtati, Tikshati, Vijayina, Kiti. So all these sutras will be, we will compile this at the end of this book and then it will be easier. Or we will at least start compiling by the time Sandhi Prakarana finishes. Then it will be easier. Any questions before we end? ओम पूर्णमतः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमव्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओम शांति 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 ओम।